Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, and today we present Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sundays, we're talking about one of the LeBron James' first shoes, his first signature shoe to be exact. We're talking about the Air Zoom Generations. But this colorway never came out before. This colorway was given to his high school, St. Mary, St. Vincent. This is a colorway that he gave to them, and the basketball team played in. But before we take a look at the shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to our channel. I know we've been slacking lately, but I'm about to start coming with the videos a lot heavier, man. We're coming with some a lot of new things, man. We're bringing to this channel, man. So just stay focused, man. New content will be dropping, man. Just stay focused, man. But forget about all that talk, man. I know y'all want to see this shoe. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, guys, here you have it. Came in a special red box. All of the LeBron Zoom Generations come in this box. If you guys didn't know, this was red. It's a pull-out box. It's Nike on the side, Nike up top. It's my size 9. If you guys, let me see if I can get that to zoom in. There we go, right there. Size 9, you already know. It's a pull-out box, not nothing. I know y'all know about the box, man. Fuck this, man. Let's get into the shoe, man. I had the shoe for a little while, man. I was kind of waiting to do a review on it, man. But the shoe's really clean, man. You got the white with the gold and green, man. Forest green. Oh, man. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, it has the same, man. Hold on, I don't want to drop the shoe. Give me 1 second. It has the St. Mary, St. Vincent, if you guys see back there. Check that out, has the typical LeBron logo right there in the front. Check that out, man. But let's get into it. Man. Has the LeBron written right here. If you guys can see that, I don't know if you guys can see that. It might be too white. See LeBron logo right there. Pull this out. See if we can get the insole out so you guys can get a look at it. That's the insole. It says LeBron right there. The white with the gold. As you can see right here, it has the this is crocodile skin right here on the front. This colorway never been released before, man. This colorway was only given to the high school that he went to, St. Vincent, St. Mary. I apologize. But this shoe was too clean, man. I couldn't pass it up, man. I had to get my hands on it. I paid a little more than retail, but sometimes that's the price you gotta pay if you really want to get your hands on the shoe, man. But this shoe right here was too clean. I had to get my hands on this shoe right here, man. You see, it has the green on the inside here, man. Too fire. The gold. It has the Nike swoosh right there with the patent leather inside. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm trying my best for you guys to see that, man. This shoe is too clean. I remember LeBron broke into the NBA wearing this shoe, not this colorway, a different colorway. It had the black with the red with the white, and it also had the white with the black with the red, man. He wore a bunch of different colorways this first season in the NBA, man. But when he first put these on, man, this is something different. This is something we haven't seen in the basketball shoe before LeBron James, broke into the NBA and was wearing, these type of shoes, man. And if you ever notice, LeBron James rarely ever gets hurt, which says a lot to me because a lot of basketball players tend to get hurt because their basketball sneakers are a little too heavy in this standard third. So, but LeBron doesn't get hurt, man. He's 15 shoes in, man. 15 signature shoes in, and he still hasn't had a significant injury when he was out for a long period of time, man. So shout out to him and his training regimen. He just lost another finals, but going to 8 finals in a row, man, you gotta give him some props, man. He's a great basketball player on the court. He's a great role model off the court, man. So give him some props for that, man, at the end of the day, man. He may not be the greatest, but he's definitely one of the greatest, man. So clap it up for him, man. And hopefully, hopefully he stays in Ohio, man. He stays in Cleveland, man, and they build a better team around him so he can have a better chance of dethroning Golden State, even though I think Houston's gonna dethrone him next year. But that's for another video, man. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about this shoe, man. Leave a comment below about anything I said in this video. Leave your comments below, man. This shoe is too clean. I can't wait to wear it summertime. I'm definitely gonna be coming out with some P4YT merch to go with this, man. So, if you guys like it, you guys know how to reach us, man. Y'all know where to find us at, man. But let me know what you guys think about this shoe, man. Leave a comment below, like I mentioned, man. We answer all comments below, man. Look at this shoe. It's too clean. It's too clean, man. Inside, man. Come on, man. St. Mary, St. Vincent. St. Vincent, St. Mary's right here. Shoe is too clean, man. But I gotta rate it, man. Even though it's clean, I gotta rate this shoe, man. With that being said, man, I think You know, the shoe's clean. I like it a lot, man. I like it a lot, man. This might be a little biased, man, but I'm giving this shoe 4 out of 5 pennies, man. Just for the simple fact that the colorway is dope. You have a white, hunter green, and gold colorway, man. That's pretty much dope, man. Like, if you're from New York City, you're familiar with that colorway because we had a high school in New York City in Harlem. Rice High School, they used to wear those same exact colors, man. So this reminds me of back then, man. But definitely a clean shoe, man. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think the shoe is not clean and you feel like Nike could have did a better job with this, man, let me know, man. Leave it in the comments below. If you don't agree with my rating, let me know. Leave it in the comments below, man. With that being said, y'all know we got to talk about this P4YT merch. I know I mentioned it, but we're gonna talk about it again, man. You already know I got the red P4YT with the black hat with the camo on it, man. Nobody's doing these camo hats, man. Be the first people to do it, man. So reach out to us. If you like what you see on this channel, leave an email, man. You guys can email us, man, at p4yt2016@gmail.com. If you guys are on social media, of course you are. Everybody is. You guys can reach us on Instagram and on Twitter at the same handle, PENNY_4YT. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.